Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had a birthday earlier this month and I got quite a few really nice luxury items that I want to share. Instead of doing a birthday haul, I'm going to do each individual item, or maybe I may group a couple things, but because I don't want to do a video that's like 45 minutes long, and I just want to focus on like one thing at a time. I think it's just more fun that way. So I'm going to start with this first item from Louis Vuitton. Now, I did open these gifts and at least look at them. And I, put them back in their boxes. And so these are not, like, it's not like I haven't seen them before, but you guys haven't seen them before. So this is the, all the paperwork with this, and I took off the ribbon. So the box, Louis Vuitton box, and inside the pouch, the Louis Vuitton pouch. And I got the Kirigami set. So according to the website, this is from the Resort collection. I think there's another, maybe a name for this pattern, but basically it is the LV monogram in all of these beautiful shades of blue and lavender. So there's lavender there and like a medium blue. There's turquoise. There's a lighter lavender color, and it's just so pretty and so summery. And Louis Vuitton's website says that this largest one, will hold not a Kindle. Well, it will hold a Kindle, but that it'll hold like a small, I don't know, I think like an iPad or something. So it will hold that. It'll of course hold your cell phone. It's it's a decent size, and there's a snap closure here. And look inside at the beautiful pattern. Right, that's the lining. Is this beautiful pattern that kind of matches the shades or matches the blue shade that's outside. And then inside is this second one. So here you have the big one, and there's the second one. And this one is the monogram, but in shades of like this pink. There's pink. There's like a lighter kind of a pink shade. And then this is more of like almost like a reddish coral color. So just so pretty. Hold that closer. And you can see on the back. And there's a snap closure as well. And this one, I would say, if you had a small phone, I think it would fit in there. But you could use it to put receipts in it. You could even put a few bills in there and carry it as a wallet. And the inside of this one is that same pattern as the lining of the larger one, but in the pinkish red shade. And then the tiny one is this adorable little pouch, and the monogram is in shades of peach and beige. So you see this is more of a peach, and there you have more of the beige shade. And yeah, this is also sort of I would say that's like a darker peach color. And here's the back. And it has a snap closure. And then inside, the same pattern as the lining of the other two, but with the beige. And let's see what this says. Kirigami Resort. So that is the Kirigami Resort collection. And this one, of course, is very small, but you could put a lip balm in there. You could put coins in there. You could put like a little pillbox in there. So, or earbuds in there. So definitely there are uses for this. And I just think this set is so cute and so pretty for summer especially. Of course, I'll use them all year round, but I just think that they're absolutely adorable. So there you have the mini one. the medium one and the large one. And this retails for $9.75 on the Louis Vuitton website. It is still available. So if you like this, you can definitely go over there and take a look. And that was one of my bigger presents that I got. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with some other birthday gifts. Bye.